Hey guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our 3Commas bot update. So over to the charts. So yeah, as you can see, we've not had a lot of price action basically in Bitcoin at all. This is basically the worst trading conditions for the bots, because there's just no real movement. So obviously when we get a buy, we'll often be at the top of the range, then when we get a sell, we'll be at the bottom of the range, because it's such a tight range. This is just no real price action. I mean, unfortunately Bitcoin has these periods when it does stupid stuff like this. No real movement up, no real movement down, no real movement. This is just something we have to deal with. Seeing as we're trading in this wild west, unregulated, scammy Bitmex controlled cryptocurrency, Bitfinex controlled as well. So what we've got, obviously, yeah. So overall today we got back in positive, which was good. Let me just show you the deals. So far we had 14 completed deals, and we're down. We're down $16, but I'm trading in small size at the moment. But initially, if we check out initially what we did have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losses before we got a big win on the drop down, which unfortunately should have been a lot bigger win, and we should have been a lot more profit, but the trading take profit just didn't work. So don't ask me what's going on there. And then we had a couple more profits, a loss, and then a couple more profits, and then a couple of losses. And then also this loss shouldn't have been 0.94%, and so again this just seems to be a lot of slippage, with, well, obviously absolute humongous slippage with where it puts in our take profit on this one, and then quite a lot of slippage on where it actually hits a stop loss on this one. So not ideal really. You want to have at least a bit of an edge. Don't forget we've got trading fees involved in these as well. Although in the green trades we will typically be entering in a limit order and then exiting with a limit order. Actually that's not the case, because we have a trading take profit, so I would expect that hits the market order as well. So yeah, and obviously 2 losses here. But I mean, I'm not quite happy with how that worked out. I mean, the stop loss, as you guys know, is not set for 0.94%. It is set for, I will show you what it is set for. It tells you here, doesn't it? It tells you, it doesn't tell you there. Let's go onto the bot and it will tell us. Yeah, stop loss 0.5%. So clearly massive slippage. I mean, nearly double the actual stop loss there. So yeah, not happy. I mean, it's obviously having a massive effect on my P&L here. But all I will say is that the market is not trading well. The market isn't trading well. Isn't trading well for my bot setup strategy basically. It's back tested over nearly 3 months and over 500 trades, and we're only 400 trades in. Sorry, 400. We're only 14 trades in what is pretty adverse market conditions, and also we have had a couple of big slippages, obviously, with the trading take profit, and then obviously this stop here. So yeah, obviously battling against that to be only this much down, also after 6 losses in a row at the start, is not too bad. I'm confident. I mean, I know the backtest works. I know the strategy works. It's just a case of can we get some better trade execution here, please, guys. But anyway, so I am going to add the other bot I told you guys about. It's slightly different settings. It's a slightly shorter time frame it looks back at. So it will trade slightly quicker. So as you can see, the buy is on the candle here, a good few candles before here, and then the sell is on a good few candles before here. So but obviously it'll have some more price flips because it's a faster adjusting one. But obviously the problem is the price flips. The problem is the market isn't really moving fast, so we're getting more of these price flips anyway. We're not necessarily going to get them all the time as much. If you see here, like this period here, I mean, there's not really that many at all. Obviously these look like them, but don't forget I've scrunched in the time limit. It's nothing quite like how these are all together like they are. Look, buy, sell, buy. I mean, they're obviously a lot closer here. But I am gonna set this bar up. So yeah, so like I said, it will be closely correlated. But the main thing is I've got different take profits and stop losses. But actually that means this would actually function a lot worse in this market condition. But when we have more actual moving price, this will actually works a lot better than this one, just because of the larger take profits. So yeah, so in theory, all I'm really doing when I activate this, to a certain extent, is just increasing my position size. That is what I'm going to do, increase position sizes, but I'm going to wait until, well, hopefully either we get into, well, hopefully till we get back into profit again, which will be hopefully when the market starts trading better. So there's no real need for me to turn the other bot and to set it up yet, so I will set that up tomorrow. Well, hopefully I'll set it up tomorrow if we do start to get some more normal price movement like this sort of thing. Look, this is where the bots do make good money. So hopefully we can get back to sort of this sort of movement. And yeah, and then we'll get the bots on, add a couple more bots for Ethereum also, and then start cranking up the size when we're in some profit, touch wood. But yeah, I mean, like I said, the back tests are very good on these. So I do believe we're just in not great market conditions at the moment, while also obviously with better execution we would still be in a lot of profit anyway. But yeah, the market conditions aren't great, and this won't stay like this forever. So I mean, that's the thing with the bots, you have 500 trades back tests over 3 months, and the returns are obviously very good. But you're going to go through periods where you don't necessarily make as much. I mean, I can actually show you the back test for the other strategy we are doing, the other bot. So this is not it at all. Let's have a look what we've got on here. What have we done? Look back 16, short take profit, long stop, short stop. I'll have to have a look at what I've done, the settings that I've done wrong on here. Yeah, I'll sort this out and show you guys anyway, because there is something wrong here. Yeah. But yeah, I'll check these settings for you, because that isn't actually what the it should be with these settings, unless we're not going back far enough in time. But anyway, don't worry though, don't worry about that, guys. I will sort this out and get back to you guys with that update tomorrow. But yeah, so remember, it's not a financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. Yeah, not much to report today on the bots. But yeah, so thanks for listening, and I will speak to you guys soon.